This video is an overview of the ServiceNow IT Business Management product. In most companies, the IT organization is a business within a business, with projects, applications, resources, and finances to manage. ServiceNow ITBM helps you manage your IT business efficiently and effectively. ITBM supports 3 business goals: visibility into your projects, applications, resources, and finances. What are you working on? Alignment of your projects and resources with your strategic goals. Work on what matters. And velocity in developing and delivering products and services. Deliver faster. To achieve these goals, ITBM offers a suite of applications spanning 4 enterprise software spaces. Project and portfolio management helps you manage and prioritize the demands on the IT department and the resources and projects for fulfilling those demands. For more information, watch the PPM video series. Application portfolio management helps you manage your business software applications, including the business services and IT configuration items associated with each application. For more information, watch the APM video series. Agile Development and Test helps you manage software development and test efforts using pure Agile methodology or Agile within a traditional project structure. For more information, watch the Agile video series. And IT Financial Management helps you manage your finances, including budgeting and forecasting for your project portfolio, managing the infrastructure cost for your IT services, and reporting IT expenses to your company. For more information, watch the ITFM video series. And underlying it all is the ServiceNow platform, tying all these areas together with the rest of the ServiceNow product suite without the need to integrate and interface multiple systems. Altogether, ITBM helps you keep your IT operations and governance in sync with your enterprise goals and governance. Keep watching this series for more on ITBM plugins, features, and functions. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.